American soldiers have to speak up. Don't sit by when your own comrades are dying in a war that makes no sense. 319 American soldiers have been killed, just since January. Speak out. Speak out. If there ain't going to be no justice, there ain't going to be no peace. If there ain't going to be no justice in Afghanistan, there ain't going to be no peace. If there ain't going to be no justice in Afghanistan, there ain't going to be no peace. And you know what? I sympathize with the American soldiers who are sick. And many of these American soldiers are committed to their duty. When they're given an order, they follow it. They honor their call to duty. But any time American soldiers are misused to fight in something that makes no sense, it is their obligation to question it and to speak up. I'm not here today to oppose the military. I'm here to speak up for your brothers and sisters that are being killed and slaughtered on the battlefield. This war is wrong. This war doesn't make any sense. Bring the troops home. If there ain't going to be no justice in Afghanistan,